Waste Management Service in Bellmead, Texas. Flat Creek Solutions proudly provides professional waste management service in Bellmead, Texas, which our customers trust and rely on. We're committed to making junk removal and cleanup easier for homeowners, contractors, and businesses alike, no matter the size of the project. Whether you're cleaning out a garage, managing debris at a construction site, or handling a significant renovation, we've got you covered. Our wide variety of dumpster options is designed to fit projects of all sizes, with prompt and reliable drop-off and pickup guaranteed. We believe in transparent pricing, so you'll never have to worry about hidden fees or unexpected charges. Protecting the environment is essential, so we handle all waste responsibly and follow all local regulations. Our customer-first approach ensures you'll receive friendly, responsive service from start to finish, with a focus on your needs. We guide you through every step, from selecting the right container to scheduling pickup, making the entire process stress-free. As a local team, we understand the unique needs of Bellmead and work hard to exceed your expectations. Scheduling your dumpster rental is quick and easy with our online system, or you can call us. Call us today at 254-307-9211 to get started with your waste management service and experience reliable, efficient solutions. Flat Creek Solutions, dependable service, transparent pricing, and waste management you can trust.